Ambika Chicken Food and Health Show, where we discuss the health issues and decide the recipes. This program is brought to you by Orchid Learning Center, Burda Madgaon, in association with Chaubale Center for Applied and Professional Studies Madgaon, and sponsored by Ambika Chicken. Eat healthy to be truly wealthy. Today we have with us Director of Orchid Learning Center, Mrs. Dimple Udgi. She is a nutritionist and specialized in cooking. And our today's guest is Dr. Ruchika Vagnekar. She is MS Gynec, she is infertility specialist, she is endoscopic surgeon, and she has consultation with Mother Care Hospital, Burda Madgaon. And our today's subject is PCOD and diet.
Doctor, welcome to the show. PCOD हे नाव आम्ही आजकाल खूप ऐकतात आणि एक मेन रिझन इनफर्टिलिटी बायलांना येवपाची कारण PCOD. सो हाजेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा?
येस, डेफिनेटली. PCOD म्हणल्यार पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवेरियन डिसीज आणि हें एक म्हत्वपूर्ण कारण जाल्लें आसा आयज इनफर्टिलिटीचें. प्रत्येक बायलेची एक मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल आसता. तितून दर म्हयन्याक एक ताती जाता, ताका आमी फॉलिकल म्हणटात. ते सवका करून बाय द टायम तुजो डे 12 ऑफ मेन्सेस जाता ते व्हडलें जाता, रप्चर जाता आनी ओव्युलेशन जाता. एंड दॅट इज द टायम ऑफ फर्टाईल पिरियड आसता वेन द फिमेल कन्सिव्स इफ देर इज कॉयटस. इन केस ऑफ PCODच्या पेशंट्सांक कितें आसता, तांचो हॉर्मोनल इम्बॅलन्स आसता फूल. बिकॉज ऑफ दीस हॉर्मोनल इम्बॅलन्स what happens is बारीक follicles जातात आणि एक पर्टिक्युलर फॉलिकल मोठे जावपाक पावना. एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ इट what happens is there is no ovulation आणि patient finds it difficult to conceive.
सो आणि कॉजेस कितें आसात PCOD जावपाचे? मेन कॉजेस कितें? वॉट इज द मेन कॉज बिहायंड दिस डिजीज?
मेन म्हणजे PCOD एक तर फॅमिलियल आसपाक शकता. फॅमिलियल म्हणजे जेनेटिक्स आसपाक शकता. जशें की एक आवय जर सपोज सफर करता PCODच्यान जाल्यार देर इज 50% चान्स की तेचे धुवेकूय तें जावपाक जाता. पण आयज काल जो इतलो प्रिवलन्स वाडिल्लो आसा, जे आमी प्रत्येक पेशंटाक म्हणटात की PCOD, दॅट इज बिकॉज मेन म्हणजे आयज तो लायफस्टायला खातीर आमच्या. इट इज बिकम अ लायफस्टायल डिजीज टुडे. स्ट्रेस फॅक्टर, इनक्रीज अमाउंट ऑफ स्ट्रेस फॅक्टर, सेडेंटरी लायफस्टायल आणि मेन म्हणजे आमचे सगळ्यो डर्टी फूड हॅबिट्स वीच वी हॅव, लायक जंक फूड अँड ऑल द फूड हॅबिट्स दॅट वी हॅव, दॅट इज द मेन रिझन वाय द प्रिवलन्स इज ॲक्च्युअली बूम्ड अप इन केस ऑफ PCOD.
सो ओबेसिटी ज्या मनशाक आसता तांकां PCOD जावपाक चान्सीस चड आसतात काय PCOD जातकीर ओबेसिटी जाता?
दोन्ही इंटर रिलेटेड असतात ॲक्च्युअली. कितें आसता, PCOD जे कंडिशन आसा, पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवेरियन डिजीज आसा, इट इज नथिंग बट इट इज एन ओवरऑल हॉर्मोनल इम्बॅलन्स इन द बॉडी. आणि तितून मेन एक पॅथॉलॉजिकल फॅक्टर जो आसता तो इन्सुलीन रेजिस्टन्स. तितून जे बॉडीचे इन्सुलीन जे आसता पळय ते प्रॉपर एक्ट जावपाक पावना तेच्या रिसेप्टर्सांचेर. एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ वीच बॉडीन इन्सुलीन लेवल्स वाडटात आणि हे इन्सुलीन लेवल वचून जे ओवरीज आसा ते ओवरीजांचेर एक्ट करून मेल हॉर्मोन्स जे असतात ताका आमी एंड्रोजन्स म्हणटात, ते एंड्रोजन्स वाडपाक लागतात बॉडी. त्या कारणा खातीर सगळी जी सायकल, मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल आसता, जी फॉलिक्युलर सायकल आसता ती फूल हालता. मेन्सीस इरेग्युलर जाता, हे सगळे सिम्पटम्स येवपाक लागतात. सो ओबेसिटी आशिल्ल्या कारणान इन्सुलीन रेजिस्टन्स आसता आणि हे दोन्ही वायस वर्सा आसा, ओबेसिटी आणि हे. अशें ना की थिनलीन पेशंटांक जायना, थिनलीन पेशंटांनूय PCOD खूब आसता कॉमन, ते विच इज ॲक्च्युअली मोर डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रीट. त्याचे आनी फॅक्टर्स आसा, स्ट्रेस, फूड हॅबिट्स आणि तशें सगळें. बट ओबेसिटी येस इज डेफिनेटली वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट रिझन.
ओके, सो वॉट आर द डायग्नोसीस? सो एक ओवेरियन पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम जाला हे आमी कशें कळपाक शकता? आमकां टेस्ट आसतात जितून?
डेफिनेटली जेन्ना पेशंट आमच्या OPDन वर्क करता त्या पेशंटाच्या ओवरऑल फिजिकल अपियरन्साचेरूच ॲक्च्युली तूं मेकआउट करपाक शकता की दॅट शी इज अ पेशंट ऑफ PCOS. तितून आमची कुछ थोड्यो क्रायटेरियाज आसतात विच आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रोटाड्रम्स क्रायटेरिया म्हणटात आमी ताका. त्यो 3 गोष्टी आसतात. एक तर पेशंट वील हॅव इरेग्युलर मेन्सीस. इरेग्युलर मेन्सीसान स्कॅन्टी मेन्सीस आसपाक शकता किंवा पेशंटाक हेवी फ्लो आसपाक शकता. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणल्यार पेशंटाक हिर्सुटिझम म्हणल्यार मेल हॉर्मोन्स बॉडीन चड जाल्ल्या कारणान केंसाचे दादल्यांक कशे तोंडाचेर केस येतात, फेशियल हेअर येवपाक शकता, मागीर ब्लॅकनिंग ऑफ स्कीन जाता, एक्नी येतात. सो ऑल दीस थिंग्स कॅन हॅपन. आनी ऑर एल्स हॉर्मोनल जे हे आमी टेस्ट असतात थोडे LH-FSH लेवल्स म्हणून ताजो रेशियो रिवर्स जाता, विच इज एन इम्पॉर्टंट डायग्नोस्टीक की. And most third important thing is that which when we do a TVS in these patients, sonography जी करतात, सोनोग्राफीन ओवरीज सगळं बल्की असतल्यो, मोठ्यो मोठ्यो ओवरीज दिसतल्यो आनी तितून बारीक 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 सिस्ट दिसपाक लागता. सो ओवरऑल सगळें एक करून आमी डायग्नोसीस करतात दॅट पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवेरियन डिसीज दिस पेशंट इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम.
आनी हाजी ट्रिटमेंट लायन ऑफ ट्रिटमेंट कितें आसता?
हांवें पयलीं सांगिल्लें आसा तुमकां की PCOD इज नथींग बट अ लायफस्टायल डिसीज. सो लायन ऑफ ट्रिटमेंट इज ऑल्सो मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ लायफस्टायल. जे आमी आयज काल आमची लायफस्टायल अशी सेडेंटरी आनी सगळी जंक फुडाचे ओरिएंटेड जाल्ली आसा, ती लायफस्टायल जर आमी चेंज करत जाल्यार 90% क्युअर तुमकां मेळपाक शकता. दोतोराची गरज तुमकां फक्त 10% पडटली, गुळयांची जी आमकां गरज पडटली ती. तर लायफस्टायलान कितें मॉडिफाय करतले? मेन म्हणजे स्ट्रेस रिलीव करपाक, न्हीद सारकी जावपाक जाय मनशाची. मिनिमम एक 6 ते 7 वरां रातची न्हीद जाली तुमची. ओके. एक्सरसाइज जो सामको लॅकिंग आसा आयज काल. एक एक्सरसाइज म्हणटा तो आसपाक जाय मनशाक दिसाचो.
एटलीस्ट एक 40-45 मिनिटां
Exactly, definitely.
in any form of exercise you should do.
We definitely very much required. And the most important part is food, which we can't actually ignore. आणि जो सगळ्यांत इग्नोर जाल्लो पार्ट आसता, कारण आमी आमच्या हितून कितें खायत रावतात.
आणि आजकाल फास्ट फूडाचो खूब ट्रेंड
Exactly.
लोकांक
Exactly.
फास्ट फूड बेगीन मेळटा खावपाक.
Exactly.
हेल्दी ईटिंग हॅबिट इज द मेन थिंग विच यू हॅव टू इनकल्केट दिस हॅबिट.
Exactly. Definitely.
डॉक्टर, तुम्ही आता आमकां सांगिल्ले प्रमाणे एक हेल्दी लायफस्टायल आमी इन्क्लूड करपाची आमच्या जेवणाच्या बाबतींत. आतां खंयची फूड आयटम्स आमी जास्त प्रमाणान इन्क्लूड करपाचे अशें तुमकां दिसता?
हय, दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. फूड आयटम्स खंयचे इन्क्लूड करपाचे म्हणल्यार मेन तर हाय फायबर डायट जो आसता दॅट इज टू बी इन्क्लुडेड. हाय फायबर डायटान तुमी स्पिनॅच घेवपाक शकतात, ब्रोकोली घेवपाक शकता, कॅबेज घेवपाक शकतात, ग्रीन म्हणजे सगळे ग्रीन लिफी व्हेजिटेबल्स, फ्रुट्स, हे सगळे दीज आर ऑल हाय फायबर जे आसता पळय दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. दुसरें मेन म्हणजे एज फार एज प्रोटीन्सा कन्सर्न, प्रोटीन्सान लीन प्रोटीन इज इम्पॉर्टंट. रेड मीट अवॉयड करपाचें. लीन प्रोटीनान आमी चिकन म्हणटू या फिर फिश म्हणटू. फिशान लायक सार्दीन, साल्मन इज व्हेरी व्हेरी न्यूट्रिशियस.
High in omega fatty acid.
Very high in omega fatty acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties as well. चिकनामध्ये चिकन इज अ लीन प्रोटीन. वेज लोकां खातीर टोफू आसता. सो दीज आर द प्रोटीन आयटम्स दॅट वी कॅन इन्क्लूड. मागीर एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी आयटम्सूय फूड इन्क्लूड करपाक शकता, लायक टमॅटो म्हणटू, टर्मरीक म्हणटू, गार्लीक, विच हॅज एंटी ऑक्सिडंट प्रॉपर्टीज. So these are all food items which should actually take the major part of our diet every day.
So हे सगळे हेल्दी इंग्रेडियंट्स घालून आमी टेस्टी रेसिपी सुद्दां करपाक शकता.
Definitely, very much.
सो आमकां डॉक्टरान सांगिल्ले प्रमाणे 2 गोष्टी मेन आमी लक्षांत दवरपाच्यो. एक म्हणल्यार हेल्दी डायट आनी दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणल्यार एक्सरसाइज. ह्यो 2 गोष्टी जर आमी नियमीत प्रमाणान केल्यो तर PCOD ह्या रोगाचेर आमी कंट्रोल करपाक शकतली आनी तो जावपाक सुद्दां न जावचे खातीर आमी सक्सेसफूल जातली. सो डॉक्टर, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक 2 recipes,
Okay.
including whatever food ingredients you have told us today. So stay with us. We will be back after the break and we'll be doing the recipes.
सब तैयार है ना? मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खोटे आने वाले हैं.
भूल गई ना भाभी?
आइए आइए.
अब इतनी जल्दी क्या बनाओगी?
चिकन. अंबिका पेश करते हैं स्वादिष्ट रेडी टू फ्राई चिकन नगेट्स, चिकन पॉपकॉर्न, चिकन सलामी, चिकन गार्लिक फिंगर्स, चिकन चीज एंड अनियंस और बहुत कुछ. बस फ्राई किया, सर्व किया, मिनटों में हो गया. अंबिका रेडी टू फ्राई प्रोडक्ट्स, बनाने में इजी, खाने को सब क्रेजी.
Multimedia, filmmaking and animation courses at Chogle College, Margao.
New BVOC programs in IT-enabled enterprise resource planning.
Skill-based courses in food production, hospitality, aviation, beauty and nutrition.
Visit www.chogles.ac.in or ccaps.in.
Deepa's Beauty Spa and Saloon, Khatpaban, Ponda. We undertake all types of bridal makeup and hairstyles. We are specialized in haircuts, hair treatments and all types of skin treatments. Personalized care. Come, experience the difference. Ajit Jewelers. Purity and trust since 1973. We make all types of traditional designs and temple jewelry designs. 100% genuine 916 BIS Hallmark jewelry. We also undertake repair works. Ajit Jewelers, shop number C5, Pancharatna Complex, behind Borkar Superstore, Margao.
Ayushri, an Ayurvedic health destination, Ake Margao. Experience a heightened sense of relaxation and rejuvenation through Ayurvedic spa treatment inspired by ancient tradition. Come to Ayushri and melt your stress. You deserve to feel this good. Rainbow Collections, 388 Ashok Building, first floor, next to Bank of India, Jos Loyola Road, Margao. Visit us for wide range of home furnishing products ranging from bed sheets, curtains, towels, kitchen linen and add-on products to make your home look at its best. A wide range of furnishing products available at discounted rates.
Ganesh.com, shop number G5, Paradise Apartments near St. Joseph High School, Akem, Margao, Goa. Be it your birthdays, parties, weddings or corporate events, we provide the latest designs and prompt printing services. Ganesh.com, we provide quality.
Welcome back after the break. Before the break, our today's guest, Dr. Ruchika Vednekar, gave us a brief idea about PCOD, and she has suggested some food items which are beneficial in the treatment of PCOD. So Dimple ma'am, tell me, what recipes have you planned using these food items?
One is a chicken recipe, it's a honey garlic chicken with tossed broccoli, and the second one is palak chole tikkis. Chicken recipe is, like you said, a lean chicken meat we should eat for this disease. So one is a very easy chicken recipe by using lot of garlic in this recipe. I'll show you the ingredients. And second one is palak and chole tikkis. Again, spinach, which is a high fiber content, as you said. Chickpeas has a high protein content.
Let's start.
Yeah, let us start making. First, I will show you the ingredients which goes into the first recipe. That is a honey garlic chicken with tossed broccoli. Now, first step is marination. So in marination, we are using chicken, one chicken breast which is cut into cubes. This is a soya sauce. Soya sauce we are using 3 tablespoons. This is the major 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Now instead of sugar, we are using honey.
Okay, that's a very nice alternative.
Yeah, honey is a substitute for sugar.
Yes.
So we are using honey instead of sugar.
Definitely very healthy.
And we are using a lot of garlic.
Okay.
Like garlic, as you said, doctor, it has an anti-inflammatory properties. It has an antioxidant. It is good for cholesterol. It is good to control diabetes and high blood pressure also. So always I include most of the garlic, maximum amount of garlic in my recipes. Now the third ingredient which I am putting is for spiciness. It's though we are adding honey, it will be slightly sweet. So to cut down too much of sweetness, this is the chili powder. So we are adding chili powder, and
how much was it?
Chili powder was 2 teaspoons. And around 2 to 3 chilies depending upon the spiciness you want. And the final ingredient is salt. Salt you need not add too much. Soya sauce has a high content of salt. If you add more salt, then soya sauce will give the more saltiness to the dish. So if you want more salt, you can add it at the later stage. Now all the ingredients we have added, it's a very simple chicken. Now we are going to mix everything and we are going to refrigerate this. Now we are going to marinate it for 1 hour. So that it takes a very less time for the chicken to get cooked. So our chicken is ready after 1 hour of marination. So what we are going to do is we are going to light the gas and we are going to heat our pan on a medium flame. Okay. So when the pan becomes hot, we are going to put the chicken pieces and we are going to shallow fry it. We are not going to use a lot of oil. Maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil we are using. It's really nice. So this chicken is not deep fried and becomes a healthy, shallow fried healthy chicken.
1 by 1 piece here.
Because we are going to turn these pieces. We have to keep some space in between so that we can turn the pieces. Since it has this honey, it will give you the sizzling sound.
Actually, they can have the flavor very well.
The more the marination, the better is the taste.
Smelling also very good.
Since the use of garlic is more, the smell is really nice.
Actually, very tasty. My mouth started watering.
And the taste is also nice. How do we know that it's done? Okay, after 2 minutes, you have to just turn the pieces and cook it on the other side. So when it is cooked on the other side also for 2 minutes, what we have to do is, since this sauce is thickened up, we have to add little more sauce. And after this entire sauce thickens up with the chicken pieces, like the whole sauce, the pieces will get coated with the sauce. That time we have to put the broccoli. Now this broccoli, what I have done is, I have blanched this broccoli in salt water, boiling salt water.
Why you blanch this?
Because it takes less time to cook. So blanching actually we do because when you put it on the pan, it takes a longer time for it to cook. So when we blanch the thing, like we have to just put it in the water and strain it, boiling water. So it has to just cook it. The overcooked broccoli loses all its nutrition values. It's a time to flip our chicken pieces. You can already get a nice aroma of the burnt garlic. The flame has to be medium or the flame has to be medium. If you put it on a very high flame, then the pieces will get burnt. Now it's the time to add a broccoli. So the blanched broccoli. And just toss it up with the chicken. So you can see the nice color also.
Combination of green and
So in this sauce you have to
put some more sauce.
Just put some more sauce so that the broccoli get also coated well with the sauce. Now if you want the broccoli, the color of the broccoli to remain like the bright green, then you have to just put the chicken, then take the chicken off the plate and then put the broccoli and just saute it and put it on the serving plate. So this is almost done.
So now our first recipe of the day is ready and our second recipe is Palak Chole Tikkis and we'll make it right after the break. So don't go anywhere, keep watching Ambika Chicken Food and Health Show. after the break in Ambika Chicken Food and Health Show. Eat healthy to be truly wealthy. And our second recipe is Palak Chole Tikki.
Yes.
So ma'am, tell us the ingredients we are going to use in this recipe.
In this recipe, the main ingredients which we are going to use are chickpeas, which आम्ही kabuli chane म्हणतात. So what we do is we soak these chanas in water, maybe overnight or for 8 to 10 hours, and then we have to boil them with little salt. Okay. So after you boil them, this is around half a cup of chana. After boiling, it becomes, the quantity becomes this much. Okay. And like doctor, you said spinach is very good for it has a high fiber content. It is rich in proteins. So we are using spinach in our recipe today. Now again, like how we have blanched the broccoli in salted water, we have blanched the spinach leaves also. Okay. So instead of just putting the raw leaves, I have blanched the leaves. And what we are going to do is we are going to put kabuli chana, spinach, garlic, ginger, and this is celery. Celery, we are going to use 1 stalk of celery and green chilies. So certain ingredients we have to grind into a paste. We make a paste and then we add our masalas. So let us make the paste first and then add the remaining masalas. Okay. So first our kabuli chanas goes in the mixer, followed by our spinach. These are around 8 to 10 leaves of spinach. So around 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. Again we are using garlic. Yeah, very nice. This is ginger, maybe ½ inch piece of ginger. And this is celery. Now chilies depends upon your taste. Like if you want a medium spicy, you can use less chilies. I use 4 chilies. Now all these ingredients I am going to make it into a paste. Okay. And then we'll go for the remaining ingredients. So after we grind our paste, it looks somewhat like this. Nice and green color.
Yeah, mixer is ready.
Okay. Now we are going to add our all masalas. Now first is our chili powder. This is 1 teaspoon. Haldi powder is a ½ teaspoon. This is garam masala, 1 teaspoon. ½ teaspoon of jeera. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And salt is according to your taste. Like I have already added some salt in kabuli chana. Okay. So we'll put less salt. And now we'll add the herbs, coriander, so more greens, and this is the mint leaves, pudina, and we are going to mix it. Now the mixture is not very thin, but we need some binding ingredient in this. We are not using potato. So here, just to bind the cutlets together, we use maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs.
Yeah. Binding the mixture.
Yeah. And we are going to roll the cutlets also in the breadcrumbs. Whenever you say cutlet, as a potato comes in your mind.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is one of the healthy option.
Exactly.
To cut down the
vegetables and protein also.
Yeah. Chickpeas also gives you a lot of protein.
Exactly. Avoiding the starch.
This cutlet we are not going to deep fry it. Again we are going to shallow fry the cutlets.
Very good.
So now the shape of the patty, and we are going to dip it in the crumbs. This is a healthy option not only for the patient who is suffering from PCOD, even a patient who is suffering from diabetes, who wants to control their weight. In fact, it is a very good.
Actually, it's a healthy option. Healthy snack for kids also.
Everybody.
And kids
healthy and easy option for kids.
So Varanasi, you can make around 8 tikkis of ½ cup of chana.
Till the time, I want to ask you, doctor, what are the things we have to avoid in PCOD?
Okay, yeah. Things that we need to avoid is refined carbs. Refined carbs, then sugary food, anything that is processed. All processed foods are to be avoided. like pastries, you know, white bread, white flour, basically maida. These are the things which we need to avoid. Even milk products to some extent in case of PCOD. But the main thing is cheese, saturated fats. These are the things that we need to avoid. Refined carbs are to be avoided. So these are our
Second dish.
second dish, palak chole
Kismis. And now both the recipes are ready and they are looking very tempting. And now this is the time to test the recipes. Doctor, please.
Sure. Too good. So delicious.
Amazing.
All the flavors in it. Amazing.
This is a perfect combination of health and taste.
Yes. Food and health. So.
Yes. Now I request Gina Romcom from marketing department of our sponsor Ambika Chicken to present a gift hamper to our today's guest Dr. Ruchika Virnekar.
Thank you.
Thank you Doctor for being with us today in this program.
It was my pleasure.
So now goodbye from all of us and see you in the next episode of Ambika Chicken Food and Health Show. Till then, eat healthy to be